Hi guys! Hi guaps! Hi beshies! How are you? Welcome back to my channel! For those of you who are watching this for the first time, I already had 2 tutorial videos translating common English phrases to Tagalog and Bisaya. Now this time, I am gonna translate same words but different meanings between Tagalog and Bisaya. I also will give you more trivia about optometry, my professions. Anyway, this is my look for the day. You have to remember that if you have a big round face like me, this hair will suit you fine because it will cover the big round face. Natatabunan yung mga apapangig o mga kaapingan. Taba-ching-ching. Let's see who is faster, Tagalog or Bisaya. So you want to start? Let's begin! Let's try to score it, okay? So the first word is langgam. Okay. Langgam for Tagalog means ant. Ant, small insect. Okay? Now in Bisaya, langgam means bird. So see? So habang kayo ay gumagapang pa, kami ay lumilipad na. Sa Bisaya, kamo nagkamang pa, kami naglupad na. In Tagalog, you are still crawling. In Bisaya, we are already flying. Okay? So one more. Next word. Habol. In Tagalog, habol means to run after. To run after. In Bisaya, habol means blanket. Habang kayo ay naghahabulan pa, kami naka under the blanket na. Bisaya, kamo na ginukdanay pa mo, kami nagkuob na mi. English. My God, it's so hard. So, while you're still running after somebody, Bisaya are already under the blanket. So, another point for Bisaya. Ding, 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 ding. Next word, libog. Okay. In Tagalog, libog means urge or being horny. Yeah, am I right? But in Bisaya, libog is confused. Tagalogs in this sense wins. Why? Because you are already horny and the Bisayans are still confused. Yeah? Point for Tagalogs. Next, palit. Okay. In Tagalog, palit means exchange or to change. But in Bisaya, palit means to buy. Kayo, nakabili na. Pinalitan nyo na nga ang Cebuano, ang mga Bisaya, bibili pala. So while you're already at the store, and is about to exchange it, we, Bisaya, are still about to buy it. So you won this one. Next word, paa. Now, in Tagalog, you don't say paa, you say paa. Paa, in Tagalog, means foot. But, in Bisaya, paa means thigh or leg, upper leg. Yung paa nyo nasa sahig, amin malapit na sa, pataas na. So, ang inyo napatawan sa sahog, ang amo padung na si babaw. English, very hard. So see, you're still down there. We are already up here. Okay? Ding, 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 ding. Bisaya wins! Next word, kumot. Kumot. Okay. In Tagalog, kumot means blanket. In Bisaya, kumot means to squeeze. habang kayo nagkukumot pa, kami nag-squeeze na. Kamo, nangita pa mong habol, diris amua, diris Bisaya, nagkinumutay na. Baka tabasin, sorry. While you're still under the blanket, we are already squeezing. I think the Bisaya are faster here. Ding, 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 ding. Another point. Next word, tanan. In Tagalog, tanan means to elope. Okay? Tatanan tayo. Elope. In Bisaya, we don't really say tanan. We say tanan. Tanan means all. So, I don't know who wins this round. Maybe the elope, because you get the girl, huh? Or you get the guy, huh? So, ding, 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 ding. Point for Tagalogs. Next word, bati. Pinabati kita. Or in Tagalog, bati means to greet or a greeting. In Bisaya, we say it bati. Not really bati. Bati, but same spelling. Bati means bad. You say, bati magkagnang, tsaka magkagnang, that means ugly. Okay? So, I think Tagalogs win here. Ding, 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 ding. Another point for Tagalogs. Next word is hubog. Hubog. Okay. In Tagalog, hubog means shape. But we pronounce it a little bit fast. In Bisaya, we say hubog. Hubog. In Bisaya means trunk. Habang kayo nakatutok pa sa kanyang hubog ng katawan, ang mga Bisaya lasing na. Hala, nagtutok-tutok pa ka sa lawas. Kami dere, ang mga Bisaya, nahubog na, nalipong na sa kaseksi. So while you are still looking at the shape, we are already drunk. Yeah? Ding, 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 ding. Another point for Bisaya. And the last word is libang. Definitely, I know this round goes to Tagalog. Why? Because libang, in Tagalog, libang means amused or having fun. Yeah? Okay. But libang in Bisaya means pupup. Pupo. Kayo ay nalilibang habang kami ay nalilibang din. So, means while you are having fun, we are pupuing. So, I think the Tagalogs win here. Okay. So, if you interchange it, see how funny those words are? So, here's a short trivia about optometry, my profession. Did you know that farsightedness is when you see distant objects clearly but near objects are blurry? Take a look at this picture. This horse that's near you is very blurry, but the distant objects are very clear, like the mountains and the other horses. Did you know that the medical term for farsightedness is hyperopia? And did you know that farsightedness is also known as longsightedness? Did you know that the lens used to correct hyperopia is a plus lens or a convex lens? And did you know that as we reach 40, we lose our ability to focus at near, which is a normal part of aging really, and it is called presbyopia. And then we have to use reading glasses. Anyway, I hope to give you more trivia next time. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you next time. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And press the notification bell to be notified if I have new videos coming. Okay? Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!